First, I want to start by saying I'm sorry. Going through 2020 and now coming to the end of 2020 and entering 2023, I took a lot of time to just really think. I try to think about how can I improve for the next year? What can I be doing that's better to really take things to the next level? And after I sat down for literally weeks and just thought, I realized I've been doing you guys a disservice. And I just want to talk about that in this video and right my wrongs for this year of 2023. So I understand that in the past year, I've been uploading very inconsistently. And you'll probably get 3 videos a month, and then you'll go 3 months without having a video from me. And even with such an inconsistent uploading schedule, I still managed to get almost 2,000 subscribers, which shows that you really care about the information I upload. And the fact that I haven't been uploading information to teach you how to really take your art career to the next level, it just shows my lack of prioritizing the channel. And I will say, my first priority are my current customers. It's my current clients. And at this point, we work with over 600 artists from all over the world. So I can become a bit slammed in work. But I realize I now have an equal duty to provide as much value here on this channel as well as on my Instagram as possible. So the reason I'm creating this video is to say, starting from today on, you're gonna get a consistent upload twice per week. Not just twice per week, but I'm gonna also be uploading to my Instagram. The reason I want to do this is because I set something in place that I call the impact ladder. So my biggest goal for this year is to create as much impact in the visual art space as humanly possible. So with that being said, what you're going to expect is very consistent uploads. But more importantly, I'm going to be talking about the key things to succeed as an artist. I'm talking about pricing, finding your audience, who are they being detailed, how to conversate with them, how to get them to purchase, how to get them to come back and purchase again, how to really build a successful art career from absolute 0 to 5, 10, 20, whatever that number may be. Now, my job is to give you as much value as I possibly can. Your job is to take the action, and that's equally what I want to talk about as well. So when I say take action, I mean actually applying the things you're going to learn. I'm going to share a crazy ton of information throughout this year, and it's going to be value packed. So this is the part I'm excited about, but you equally have to do your part and put in the work required. So at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a couple action items to first set off this 2023 year in the best possible position for your career. Now, with that being said, I have a duty to give you as much value as possible, but equally you have a duty. At your home, you most likely have a family, you probably have kids, you probably have a partner, you have a future that you're probably chasing. Just how I will make this channel a 100% of my focus, I want you to take the things you learn from me and make your art career 100% of your focus. There's nothing for you to buy from this video here. I literally just want to provide value. But you can learn the information, but education without implementation is just a waste of energy. So I want you to take the time to show up to these videos with pen and paper and take notes and apply yourself. Start 2023 off the correct way, and that's chasing the things that you truly care about, which number 1 on that list should be your family, and then number 2 should be your art career. Now, as you chase that, by the end of 2023, I promise you, if you apply the things that I teach and be consistent and really work on your art career, it's going to change your life forever. And I will do my part to make sure I upload twice per week. I actually been hiring a team in place to edit these videos. You probably see it's going to look a whole lot cooler. And also, I want to take the time to even get to know you individually. So definitely leave comments below. Tell me the type of videos you want to see. Tell me the type of things you want to learn. Tell me the type of things you already like and I could be doing more of, so I can provide as much value to you as possible. Now, with that being said, here are some action items so we can get this 2023 year on the road. First thing first, I want you to find an accountability partner. Most artists, majority of artists are introverts, but as long as you're introverted, that's the first thing to hold yourself back. Alongside being introverted, most artists don't have artist friends. So typically you're surrounded by non-artists who are telling you things like you shouldn't focus on art, it's not a real career, you should get a real job, you should not try to make a living creating artwork. But when you surround yourself by like-minded people who are passionate about the things that you're passionate about, and then at that point you'll be focused more on your goals, but you'll also be chasing those goals knowing that they are achievable because you have someone else pushing you to achieve those goals. videos. So you may be thinking, Gerard, how the heck would I find an accountability partner? First place to look, you can look at the comments of any of my videos. I noticed that the people that comment on my videos always comment and they take their alt career very seriously. Take the first step to becoming extroverted. Reach out to someone and say, hey, I noticed you comment on the Gerard video. I also watch his videos. I want to know if you want to hold each other accountable. And then you guys can start working on those goals together. Another way you can find accountability partners is under my comments on Instagram. Any artists that comment under my posts on Instagram or on his YouTube channel are very serious about their art career. Now you may be thinking, Gerard, I don't want to reach out to a complete stranger, but why not? You see, in society, we have these biases in our head that we think are wrong. But once you break outside of that, you open your life to a world of abundance. You probably end up reaching out to someone and they might agree to be your accountability partner. And it might be an artist I currently work with at the moment. Especially if you go on my Instagram and you look under my comments. Most of those artists are clients of mine. With that being said, find an accountability partner. Take the time out and take the first step. It's like dating. Approach that person first. One thing me and one of my friends used to do when we was really young is that we used to have this thing, we used to try to get really successful people phone numbers because we just wanted to learn as much information from them as possible. So anytime we see a nice car or someone who just look like they do business, we'll walk up to them and just introduce ourselves, try to get into conversation, and usually offer them to lunch or dinner, whatever the case may be. I want you to take this same concept. Take this time out to message someone. Comment under one of my videos. Reach out to them and just say, hey, I noticed you watch Gerard videos. I want to know if you're a fan. I watch his videos as well. I'm looking for an accountability partner. And I'm just curious. And I just believe that if you was watching his videos, you're most likely someone who take their alt career very serious, as well as myself. I'm not sure it's your goals, but my goal is $4,000 per month. I want to help you get there, and you can help me get there. We can get there together. So that's step one. It's coming together, finding an accountability partner, and we embark this journey as one. So find someone that you can lock hands with and begin this journey of 2023 to become a really successful artist as one. Second, give it everything you got. I mean, everything. You have a mentor. You're here because you want to learn how to sell your artwork, and it's no secret at this point. I've helped hundreds of artists make consistent art sales using social media. So you have a mentor. You have me here to guide you. So just follow the things I say and actually give it 100%. I mean, freaking 1,000%. Make it your entire livelihood. And then 3, I want you to take the time to let me know your updates. The best way to get in touch with me is on Instagram. This year of 2023, I'm going to be extremely personal with everyone. I'm taking phone calls myself for those who want to work with me directly. I'm responding to messages on Instagram. I noticed in 2022 I've been extremely introverted myself because I'm a minimalist. I like to keep things extremely minimal. My team usually do a lot of the hands-on work, and I like to stay back and just focus 100% on my clients. But that's changing this year. Reach out to me. I will get back to you directly, whether that's through email, Instagram, under the comments, it don't matter. Take the time out to reach out to me, and I will get back to you once again. So let's reframe. First thing first, you have to hold yourself accountable and get an accountability partner. So once you find an accountability partner, you probably want 2, and y'all want to keep each other grounded and keep each other focused. 2, give it 100% of you. 100%. If you watch these same videos that I'm sharing helped artists go from 0 to 5,000 per month, 10,000 per month, 25,000 per month. One of my most successful clients to date ended up doing $60,000 a month. So if you apply the information that I'm sharing, no matter what your goal is, you're going to become more successful from today and at the end of the year. It's without question. And then 3rd, share your progress with me. Get in contact with me. Talk with me. Let's chat. I want to get to know you. If you take the time out to watch these videos and you actually serious about your art career, I want to get to know you. So I wanted to make this video to say, here's the start to 2023, and I want to start it off right. I'm going to leave first and say I'm going to put another video here for you to watch. This video here is a step-by-step process to make a consistent 5,000 per month selling your artwork online. This one video is the same video some of my artists have used to actually go from 0 to 5,000 pretty quickly. I'm not saying you're going to get there pretty quickly, but I am saying if you apply this video, you're going to learn some really valuable things that can take your art career to the next level. Start there. With that being said, I'm looking forward to a phenomenal 2023, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace.